Good morning, class 3. Hope you all are fine. Today we will do the question answers of chapter number 5, How Birds Live. Exercise number 3 is answer this question, and the question number 1 is what are down feathers? Give the functions. Look here. Here is a picture of down feathers. Down feathers are fluffy feathers. Fluffy means soft. They keep the body of a bird warm. This one is its function to keep the body of a bird warm. Question number 2 is what is the function of body feathers? Look here, this one is a picture of body feather. Body feathers cover the body and give it a shape. Body feathers are small feathers present all over the body of a bird. They give proper shape of a body, and it also helps the birds in flying. Question number 3 is what are flight feathers? Give their function. Look here, this one is a picture of flight feather. Flight feathers are strong. The flight feathers are also known as wing feathers. Look here, they are furthest away from the body, attached to the skin of a wing on the hand of the bird. These feathers are also called the hand of the bird. Flight feathers are very strong. They help a bird to fly. If these flight feathers are damaged or lost, a bird cannot fly. Question number 4 is what kind of birds ostrich and kiwi are? Look in this picture. Ostrich and kiwi are the birds that cannot fly. Unlike most birds, their flat breastbones lack the keel and the pectoral muscles required for flight. And their weights of birds are so heavy. That's why they cannot fly. The ostrich and kiwi cannot fly. It is also called the flightless birds. Flightless means they lost the ability to fly. Question number 5 is give some nesting habits of birds. Birds lay eggs with hard shells. They build nests when they have to lay eggs. They build nests in all kind of places. Here is some example. The first one is an eagle nest is high up on a tree. A tailor bird saw leaves to make its nest. Saw means join leaves to make its nest. Third example is partridge. Partridge make its nest on the ground. And the fourth example is woodpecker. Woodpecker cut a hole in a tree trunk with its beak. Question number 6 is how do the birds bring up their babies living in nest? When the nest is ready, the female lay eggs in it. The male or female sit on the eggs to keep that warm. When the eggs hatch, baby birds came out. Look in this picture. Usually they have no feathers and their eyes are closed. You can see in the picture their eyes are closed and have no feathers on their body. So, the parents look after them and feed them until they are ready to fly out. Question number 7 is how do the feet of crows and sparrows help them to perch on trees? Perch means sit on a branch of tree. Look in this picture. The feet of the crow and sparrow have 3 toes. One digit of the toe is called its toe. So sparrow have 3 toes in front and 1 at the back. Look in this picture, 3 in front and 1 in the back. With the help of them, perch on the tree. Birds like crow and sparrow perch on tree branches, even sleep while perching. Their feet are shaped to hold on the branches. Question number 8 is what are talons and what is their use? Talons mean sharp claws of an animal. Claws mean nails. Look here. Birds have 4 toes on each feet. Flesh-eating birds have strong, sharp claws called talons. These are the talons of the birds. They use their talons to catch other animals.